Alright guys, now let's get to the part where Thonny is connected with our ESP32CAM over there. There it is sitting. And our buddy now needs to receive. We need to send it commands to play with it. So I went online and tried to find out, okay, what is the pin. So this is how it works. I imported the machine. First I thought it was pin 2, so I tried to, this is how you define by going on to the Micropython. What it says is that if you go to its tutorials, the installation and the first beginning part of ESP8266 and ESP32 is the different one, but after that commands are pretty much the same, not that much of a difference. So I looked at it and I was like, okay, how do I use the pins? And this is the one. It says first you need to import the machine, then you need to define the machine pin, and then define the pin number, and then you need to define it as an output pin, and then you can control that pin. You can pull it on or off. So I I followed the same thing on Thonny, and I defined the pin as 2, pin on, pin off. Nothing happened when I turned it on. When I turned it off, nothing happened. So I went online, I tried to look for my particular board, ESP32, to understand, okay, which pin in it is used for the flashlight camera, because it does have a small flashlight camera. If you see, if not camera, sorry, the LED. Okay, I cannot do it with, it's just hair, this yellow small SMD hair. So I found out from internet after looking that it's pin number 4. So I did the same thing. Now I defined an LED pin variable and attached it to pin 4, defined pin 4 as an output pin, assigned it to LED pin. Then I tried LED pin on and LED pin off, and it worked. So let's try it again. LED pin dot on, and let's have a look. Woo, it's working. And then if I want to turn it off, LED pin off. Ooh, sorry, typing with one hand, so I have to look at the keys, and I'm going to execute it. Off. All right, simple as that. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just playing with the commands right from the shell, and it's going and showing it's being executed on the board. So the next part in the process would be, okay, how can I write the code, and through Thonny I can push it on my ESP32CAM, and the next time I power it on, it's just going to run that code. The code I'm thinking is, let's have this flashlight blink for 3 seconds and turn off for 3 seconds, and let's have that thing continue to see if it works fine. So step by step, I'm just going to go through and try everything so that whatever I learn, I document it, and you guys can also learn from it. Thank you.